Hello everyone, welcome to Native Mobile Bits. Today's video is going to be very exciting. We are going to implement a real-time database in our Super App. This real-time database will act as a server for our Super App. So our Super App can be more and more dynamic. It can be customized according to our needs. And for the first time, we are going to use Supabase. It's a real-time database. It's free and it's open source. And this is considered one of the most stable and advanced database in the world. So it's very good, of course, and we are going to use it in today's video. And as Android engineers, we can use this database and it can act as a real-time server for us. So we can store data via our application in this real-time database, and we can fetch the data like we are fetching the data from some kind of APIs. Alright, so it can totally act as a server for our application. And once our online database implementation is completed, we will implement one real life scenario. In most of the apps today, I'm sure that you have noticed some kind of dynamic updates on some specific days. For example, on Valentine's Day, your app can show some kind of card or some kind of banner. Even though you did not update your application, still you are seeing some kind of dynamic content, and it can also happen during any specific festival. Let's say Thanksgiving is there or Diwali is there. So your applications can show you some dynamic content out of the blue without even updating the application. In today's video, we are going to make our super app capable to handle this real-time use case.